I'm Nivedita. I'm here from Hyderabad, and I think this is probably my fifth or sixth time in this shop. Whenever I have my friends or family coming over to my place, I bring them over here for shopping. And today also I'm here with my friend. He's from Delhi, and he bought this lovely set of necklace and earring for his wife. The staff and the people over here are very helpful. They're cooperative and like very patient. Like we have seen almost like hundreds of pieces, and but still they are really friendly and very they know how to do their job basically. So yeah, I would recommend this place to all of you. You should come to this place and shop for your loved ones. They'll definitely like this place, and the material over here, the pearls are really good. Shetty ji is really helpful. He's over here. Please come, he will show you great pieces. Yeah, thank you.